Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a voiceover. Let's begin. Adding voiceover in Capcut is a simple process that can elevate the quality of your content. So, for you to be able to incorporate a voiceover into your videos, I want you to click the project that you are working with. Or, if you haven't started already, just go to the new project, click on it to begin your work. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific project. You see, I have placed something here. I'm going to play with it, and I don't have anything yet in place in the overlay section. All right, so it's just like an intro, outro, and just like a few elements created together to have a cohesive animation. So what I'm going to do for you to be able to add voiceover is hover down here. You see there is a section here that says audio, right? On the bottom part of your screen, click on it. And there, of course, as you can see, you have an option to click the record button. That's one way to add voiceover, right? It's very simple. All I have to do is click the record button, and you would be forwarded here. You have three options: enhance voice, audio effects, and of course, just tap or press and hold to record. We will do that right now. So, I'm going to tap on it, click on confirm because Capcut is requesting permission to access your microphone to record sounds for making videos. Click on confirm. Click the microphone, full access, and there you go. And then the next thing is we're going to get back to Capcut. And then go to the record button. It's counting now. And of course, you can proceed to record. All right. So once doing this is, as you can see, a voiceover will allow you to explain, narrate, or add commentary to the visuals in your video, which is kind of helpful if you are working with a how-to videos like we do. It provides context to your content, making it more engaging for viewers, because of voiceovers like we do here in our G-Plafs YouTube channel helps you with your story more effectively, especially when your video contains tutorials, blogs, or explainer videos. All right, you can use the voiceover to introduce characters, and once you're done, just press the audio here, tap and press, and then click the plus button. The recording will be saved and it will be added to your cohesive video here with the audio at the bottom part corner. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.